Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for everyone who has subscribed. Welcome back. And to everyone who's watching for the first time, thank you for coming to my channel. So today I'm super excited. This is the first time I get to film with the giveaway that I have done on my Instagram. This week in my Instagram giveaway, if you're following me, you already know somebody won today, okay? So I'm kind of filming a little bit, you know, it's kind of future for me right now, but right now it's really Friday, you know what I mean? So whoever won that giveaway, I'm so happy for you. Congratulations. Make sure you tag me, show me your look. If you are not following me, make sure you follow because you can get something like this. That's right, Jouer has come out with the jet set collection, you know, like vacationing and jet setting and taking off and all that good stuff. They have an entire collection. It's very beautiful. And today I am going to be doing this look that you see here with this palette. So if you want to see how I got here, you know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so I'm starting off with a clean face. Already have my moisturizer. You know I have my Ole Henriksen on. I love the Nurture Me and I love the Truth Serum. Yes. Alright, so the first thing that I want to do, I'm going to snatch my eyebrows really quickly. Give me a second. Okay, so my eye area is primed. Looking a little crazy right now, but we gonna make it right. And yeah, so let's hop into this palette. So I have not used this palette. This is my first time dipping into this beauty. Other than my giveaway this week, I did open it up just to take a few pictures. And congratulations again to the person that won. I don't know who it is because I'm filming and I have to talk in the future. This is the palette and it's a matte. The first color that we have here, that one is called Cloud 9. And the next one is called Check-In, right there, Check-In. This one is called Carry On, right there, Carry On. The next one, this is called Runaway. And this one here is First Class. And the last one, ooh, Black Card. So let's go in with a transition color. I'm going to use the brush that's inside of it. It's kind of like a little flat tapered, and then on the other end it's like pointed, which I can really see myself getting underneath the eyes with. Going in first, I definitely would like to have a transition color. I feel like this one right in the middle. I'm going to dip into Carry On. Ooh. Okay, nice and pigmented. Yes, ma'am. Okay, Carry On. And I'm going to stay on the outside of my crease and slowly work my way to the inside. This isn't really a transition color, but that's okay. I'm going to stick with it. I probably should have went with this one right here. Let's still rock with it. Alright, next I'm going to take my MAC 217. I'm going to go in with this one right there. And I just want to blend on the outside of what I just did. Ooh, I love that color. Alright, so I'm going to go very dramatic. I'm going to take the black in the palette using the Jouer brush that comes with it. I'm going to take that and go on the outer corner of my lid, staying close to the bottom. I will say, I love this little brush. It's so small and detailed. Yes. Okay, so with the black color in the palette, with the black card, I basically darkened on the outside of my crease. Don't worry too much about where it's at. I'm going to actually do a little bit of a cut crease today. So now what I want to do is just kind of go back in, and I just want to make sure we're blending from dark to light all the way out. Okay, so I have everything blended how I like. I have it going from a nice dark kind of to a brown out, and it's just really pretty. I really like these colors. I wasn't planning to go this dramatic, but just kind of happened that way. So yeah, so with the cut crease, I'm going to go in with my MAC paint pot in the color Painterly. Honestly, with the cut crease shape, you could do whatever shape you want to. If you want to do the one I'm doing, follow along. Come on. Okay, so here are the cut creases, and I did go very dramatic. I'm kind of mimicking my eyebrows and just, I don't know, just felt like going bold. The colors went on very bold and very good and surprised me, so I'm just going along with it. This time I'm going to take the color right here, and I'm going to place that in the middle and just barely tap that on. Okay, now I'm going to take this color right here in the palette, and I'm going to place that on the outside. I'm really loving this color. This First Class, I'm really liking that. Ooh, yes. And yeah, I am challenging myself. I'm still using, for the most part, the same brush. I'm challenging myself to just use what comes in the palette, just for, you know, the sake of this whole thing, you know, working out and just seeing how it would work if you were to just use the palette. So I'm still with the same brush. Okay, so I have First Class on the outside. Now on the inside, I'm gonna do something really crazy. I wanted to use one of the different colors in here. The other one is really, really, really bright. I don't know if I should do it really, really bright or bring it in with something dark. You know what? I have not used this color here. Why the heck not? We're gonna go ahead and use this one, and we're gonna put that on the inside. This is like a crazy inside and out halo going, ooh, from one way to another. This is crazy. Ooh, I really wasn't expecting this. I normally don't halo like this, but putting this dark in here, that's a little different. You know, I'm such an experimentalist. Boy, as safe as I am, could be very dangerous. I'm just gonna go back in on the center, and I'm gonna take this one right here, and I'm just gonna redefine and just really blend that center out. Wow, I mean, I genuinely had not planned on going this dramatic today, but here we are. So it's only fitting that I use my JouerEssentials High Coverage Cream Foundation. Why not, you know? Let's just make it a Jouer day. Why not? Okay, the next step is basically with the Shape Tape by Tarte. I'm just going in and I'm gonna lighten and conceal some areas. Now I'm going to take my Delium Tools 990 brush and I'm just going to go in with my Laura Mercier's translucent powder. Set all of this down. Okay, now going back in with that brush out of the Jouer palette, I do want to go underneath my eyes and just want to give a little bit more drama. I think I'm going to go in with this color right here in the center. Can you guys see that? Just going in with that, and I'm going to go right underneath the eyes. There's fallout, so a little tip is to maybe tilt your head down, and that way if anything falls, it's not falling directly on your cheeks. This brush is like really skinny. I wonder if it's too skinny. I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna put some liner in my waterline. Next, I'm going to take my Morphe M439 brush and I'm just going to go in with my bronzer and I'm just going to warm up my cheeks and my forehead and I'm going to go down and contour the nose. Okay, now I'm just going to put my lashes on off camera. I'm back, my lashes are on, and you know, I love this look. It's beautiful. The mattes are amazing, but I swear you guys, I was legit going to do just an everyday. Who's gonna wake up and do this every day? So here is the lips, just gloss. Yeah, just gloss, cause I already did too much. That's all we're gonna do. Like lip gloss, Kylie Cosmetics, call it a day. I don't know how, but I think it was the first color that I thought was gonna be a good transition color. It really just, ooh. Okay, so my thoughts on this little bad boy. I honestly feel like it truly is an everyday palette. I will say that. It really is. Clearly, if you want to take it up a notch, you can. I love when palettes use black because black can be, you know, like a liner. You can go in on your eyebrows. You can do anything with black. I love that they put a black in here. Love, love, love. All of these colors, there is a little bit of fallout. The two lighter colors, I felt like I needed a little more pigment, but they still worked. This middle color was very like, it worked like something for me to just transition with and smooth out with. I mean, I guess it's a nice color, but I probably could have used more pigment on it. It didn't really do anything for me. I didn't even really dip into the first one. It's like powder to me at this point. Like, that color is so bright. I just don't need it. And but yeah, every other color in here is amazing. Yes, there's a little bit of fallout, but they blended well to me. I don't have any Jouer palettes, you know. My Jouer is the foundation, you know. I don't have any Jouer powders or anything like that. So this is my first time using it, and like I said, I felt like this was decent. The little brush that comes inside of it, good for detailing. You know what I mean? Go ahead and use whatever brushes that you have that you normally use, but this little bad boy is good. This tip right here was good. It was really thin, really good for getting those details. You could create a whole look with just that one brush, but it might take you a while. So go on and use whatever you're normally using and just go on in with that one and just detail. Congratulations to the person who won this. Tag me and show me the look that you do, and I want to see what you do, and I am going to do this palette again, and it will for real be like something you can just do every day. And so yeah, this is the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was a journey. It's funny. I never know where I'm gonna go. But thanks for coming along with me. And somebody won this today on Instagram. Please follow me if you're not. You could be my next winner. I do it every month. And yeah, it's Friday. Enjoy the weekend, you know, whatever you're gonna do. Have fun, be safe, and yes, you already know what I'm gonna say. Make sure you find your frequency and feel good. Listen, Linda, I really wasn't trying to do all this. Which way do I wanna go? This is not like every day. I really did not plan to go this dramatic today. I'm gonna go in. Ooh, okay. Somebody done won this as a giveaway, and I'm going in like cray-cray. This is crazy. Who's gonna wake up and do this every day? No, that's not the color I want. To whoever won this in my giveaway today, you know, if this one is djtoomuch.com, I'm gonna do another one. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna come at it again. These are simple colors. Simple. This is an everyday palette. I really wasn't trying to go this dramatic. Ain't nobody waking up to do this every day. What happened? Oh, okay, let's keep it going. Which one is crowding me?